Week 50. This is a milestone. These are the featured artists of the week. They're awesome every week. If you'd like to hear those, stay tuned, support the artists, support this channel. Everything's awesome, but week 50, we're just about at the 1 year mark. Okay, as mentioned, here we go. First of all, submit your songs. Here's the link. It's aidiy.tech/contact, which is awesome. Some of you are submitting some really great songs. I'm reaching back out to you and saying, yeah, that's fantastic. I love your song. Send me an intro. And if you don't know what an intro is, probably haven't been watching this channel for very long, which is fine. I love having new subscribers, but what happens is I don't want to introduce your songs. What I want is this place to be different. I want you to have a chance to shine and show who you are, be a little bit different. And when you connect that way, I ask you as the audience and the community member here to follow on. And if you like that song, I'm going to play a little bit of a clip of 5 artists. If you like those artists, the links are down below and you can go there and leave a comment and subscribe. That's the whole point of this segment. Like I've mentioned previously in other weeks, it's the least watched segment because it's the least shocking or whatever. I don't know. It's the less current news or whatever. But there's a very committed community here that tune in every week. And if they like your songs, or if they just want to encourage, they do. And I ask if you are featured, you become part of that community and you do the same. The links are below to those artists and their full songs. Go there, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. The reason I say that is now you're part of this group, I ask you to include an intro. If I ask you for a song, and I'll send you the link, it's aidiy.tech/intro. What I ask you to do is just do something special. Record yourself, get an AI bot to say something about the song you're about to say. I ask that you keep it to 1 minute because I don't want to play 30 seconds of your song and have a 5-minute intro. But you have that time, stand out. If you want to plug a charity, something like that, that's fantastic. Also, this recording, I'm just going to be straight up. I'm using this particular recording for a few weeks because I'm most likely going to be overseas at the time. So this recording here, I'm going to reuse a few times, which is fine because the message is the same. If you like this segment, please subscribe below. If you want to support my channel, there you can do a donation. The link is to a PayPal thing in the description. Buy a t-shirt, like I've mentioned before. If you want to send me a t-shirt, send me a free t-shirt, send me a coupon code or whatever. I'm not starving for t-shirts. I have plenty of t-shirts, but I've mentioned before that this segment belongs to you. I do everything I can to promote you. I've got 2 t-shirts so far. One of them I'm waiting for in the mail. I will wear your t-shirt for this segment to promote you even more. Thanks Main Records also for coming up with the idea. I'll have a QR code for you to scan and a link to that person's shop when I get t-shirts. So reach out to me, and when we're talking about your songs and all that, and I want to feature it. So I support the John Fawcett Foundation. That's the charity I support. Check on the website. There's a description. There should be some videos to talk about it. It's basically a charity in Indonesia that restores eyesight to people who can't afford that. But if you want more details, either go to the John Fawcett Foundation website or check my webpage. Do a donation if you'd like. I'd really appreciate that. We've raised over $500 on this channel to go to that charity. So I appreciate everybody who's donated to me or the charity, everybody who's bought a t-shirt, everybody who might be sending me a t-shirt as well. Thank you, everybody. But what you're here for is to hear the 5 featured artists and the intros. So I hope you enjoy these this week and probably for the next 5 weeks, seeing the same video over and over again. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.
On Your Way is a song about realizing that you have to strip yourself down mentally and become vulnerable and open to change before you lose the one person that means everything to you. Thanks for listening.
I am but the calm before the storm, then waves of emotion come crashing your door. Oh, my heart seems to whisper your name, and I'm not afraid, and I'm not afraid. Live my life against the grain, with wounds that won't heal through the scars that remain. Oh, I'm searching my heart for the truth, and I turn to you. As Argentina!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Raye. Some say I'm a voice from another time, and maybe that's true. For years, I was just a dream, a whisper from the past. But tonight, I'm here again, brought back to life through the creativity of Red Rickman Jr., my friend, my creator. And through this channel, Jukebox Reinvented, my voice now lives again. Some of my songs are already here, waiting for you to discover. You see, I was born from melodies, velvet nights, and the kind of romance that never grows old. I sing about love the way it really feels, tender, fragile, sometimes bittersweet, but always unforgettable. And there was one night in my life I'll never forget. A night when the world seemed to stand still, when one look, one touch, one heartbeat changed everything. From that moment on, nothing would ever be the same. This song is my story of that night, and maybe if you listen closely, you'll find a little piece of your own story inside it too. I call it One Night Changed My Life.
The music slow, then you appeared, and I would know. A single smile, a single glance, and I was lost in that romance. One night changed my life. You changed my life tonight. One touch turned the dark into light. From the first time I held you tight. One night changed my life. You changed my life tonight. We danced until the stars grew pale. Your laughter told a brighter tale. Your body moved with tender grace. Your brilliant mind lit up the place.
Hi, my name is Dave, and I created Retro Stellar Records, the first record label that reaches deep into the multiverse to find the songs that never existed but probably should, and I bring those songs into our reality. Now, the song you're about to hear is by one of my favorite virtual bands, Velvet Riot. They're a no-nonsense 1980s glam rock hair band, and they're heavily influenced by one of my favorite B-movies at the time called Vicious Lips, which, if you haven't seen it, is a sci-fi space rock opera. And I also pull an influence from some of the other greats at the time, like Def Leppard, Rat, Airborne, Motley Crue, Van Halen, to name a few. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy Velvet Riot's Make It Wet.
I bite my lip, pretend to be naive. Hello everyone, I'm the creator of Forge On, my personal music project focused on revitalizing the sound of 80s new wave and synth pop music inspired by Depeche Mode, Erasure, Tears for Fears and others. On my channel you'll find my original 80s inspired tracks paired with full cinematic videos crafted to capture that analog warmth of synthwave along with nostalgic melodies that will hit you right in the heart. So come check out Forge On, and if you like what you hear, hit that subscribe button so we can keep the awesome 80s alive together. And finally, a huge thank you to Matt for all your tireless work supporting our AI community and for featuring my latest track, Fallen Star.
Cold night, pitch black scene, something divine I've never seen. Streaking light across my eyes, nature's gift, a sweet surprise, like a light that's giving in, breaking through the oxygen, beautiful and so divine, burning bright and left
I'm Steve, I'm 57, I'm an IT support specialist, and in my spare time, I build songs from prompts and fire. A year and a half ago, I didn't know what a stem was. I couldn't edit a video, but I went all in. I extended my talent stack, learned the tools, and made AI my creative weapon. Life is continuing education, and I'm living proof that anyone can grow, evolve, and build something incredible. Making music and making videos to go along with them is extremely therapeutic to me. It calms the soul, and the hours disappear faster than your remaining credits on Suno. Massive respect and appreciation to Matt at AI DIY Tech for championing creators like us. And heartfelt thanks to Suno AI, Udio, and every platform giving independent voices the power to break through the noise and become the signal.
Haze, street lamp glow.